in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 5. In this video I'll show you how to enable or disable app drawer. In the beginning, let's tap and hold on free space on the screen and go to settings. Enter home screen and now select between classic or with app drawer. Let's do it again. So let's tap and hold on the free space on the screen, go to settings, home screen and select classic. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.